there, this is a review and a demo on using the Autoglym bumper and trim gel. I'll include the demonstration before and after in a moment. So you can get this from Halfords. It's a little bit messy to use, although it's quite thick. When you're sort of tipping it onto whatever you're using to put it onto exterior trims and stuff, it can be a bit messy, but it lasts absolutely ages if you can get it on dry. And then obviously dry trims, put it on the dry, or mouldings, put it on when it's not raining. Once it's on, it's unbelievably water repellent and it lasts absolutely ages. I can't recommend this product enough for that purpose. It's really good. So it's mainly for exterior use. You wouldn't want to use it interior because it's too sort of slippy. So for like bumpers, mouldings down doors and rear quarters, or mouldings around bumpers. So it's really good. I tend to put it on with a microfiber pad, or you can put it on with a sort of foam pad. I'll include the demonstration now before and after. There we go. As you can see from the demo, it makes a really good difference. And even this, but although it's a 300ml, it will last you absolutely ages. You probably wouldn't have to buy, if you're doing a vehicle at home, it will definitely last a long time. So there we go. That's the Autoglym bumper and trim gel for exterior use on, as it says, bumpers and trims. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It would help a load. Thank you very much.